हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू सफलता बैच क्लास 41। आज हमारी 41st क्लास है। इससे पहले की सारी क्लासेस आप प्लेलिस्ट से ज़रूर अटेंड कर लीजिए। आज हम लोग जनरल मैटर लिखने वाले हैं। पहले हम जनरल मैटर लिखेंगे, उसके बाद में उसके जनरल वर्ड्स को डिक्टेशन का लिखेंगे। इसको स्टार्ट करते हैं। गेट रेडी, 3, 2, 1 स्टार्ट। टूरिज्म इज द वर्ल्ड्स लार्जेस्ट एंड फास्टेस्ट ग्रोइंग इंडस्ट्री. It is significant to note that in a short span of the last 50 years, tourism has fast grown as a pursuit of profound human interest, developing itself as the world's most important industry in terms of export earnings. Tourism has long been recognized as an industry for generating immense business and job opportunities throughout the world, as a creator of wealth, income multiplier, as a catalyst for employment, and as a preserver of culture and environment. Para. The studies carried out in the field of tourism reveal that travel and tourism had been an important social activity of human beings from times immemorial. Man has been fascinated by travel to distant places from the earliest historic period, but modern tourism, which is distinguishable by its mass character, continues to grow. By 1990, tourism ripened into the world's third most important industry, and by 1995, tourism evolved into one of the largest and fastest expanding industries of the world, which makes up a higher contribution to the value of world exports than all other sectors except crude, petroleum, and petroleum products. Para. It is considered that tourism also has indirect significance on the development of education of people as a part of civilized existence. Tourism can stimulate the local economy's growth and development in the relatively backward regions within the country, and can help educate the local population through interaction between people of different races and nationalities. It has been identified as an agent for the development of the backward regions. Para. The concept of tourism is based on traveling from one place to another comfortably in terms of travel, food, and accommodation. In the early days, people traveled from their home to places of worship, on a pilgrimage, or to escape persecution. They also traveled for reasons such as famine. However, things have changed since then. With rapid advances in science and technology and a greater sense of tolerance, nowadays people travel more for pleasure than to escape famine or religious persecution. Para. Economically speaking, the tourist is a goods consumer and a services beneficiary. From the expenditures which he performs, a part goes directly to economic units from the tourism industry, the other part goes into local budgets or into the state budget in the form of fees, taxes, etc., and the third part goes to other sectors of the economy for the payment of the products delivered and services rendered by these sectors in order to meet the needs of the tourism industry. Thus, tourism can support the economic development of both the local community and the economy of a country through earnings from domestic or foreign visitors. Para. A major benefit of tourism in stimulating economic growth is represented by the increase in the number of available jobs in that tourist destination, both directly and indirectly, within the companies which provide services necessary for tourists. The process of serving tourists appeals to a large and diversified workforce with a varied skill profile. One of the most visible benefits of tourist activities within a destination is represented by the jobs involved in the direct administration of hotels, restaurants, stores, and transportation. Support industries and professions are less visible but contribute substantially to the local economy because these trades are more often than not better paid than jobs from the visible category of employment such as the staff of a restaurant store. So guys, ये हमने 105 से लेकर के 120 पर लेकर गए और लास्ट में 110 पर आए हैं। तो इस टाइप से इस डिक्टेशन को लिखा है। ये एक जनरल मैटर है और काफ़ी इंपॉर्टेंट मैटर है एग्जाम पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से। एक तरह से एडिटोरियल मैटर है। अगर आपसे ये लिखा गया है और इसके अंदर आप लोगों की गलतियां 40 से कम या 30 से कम आई है तो आपकी प्रिपरेशन बहुत अच्छी चल रही है। इसको और अच्छे करने के लिए आप इसको 10-15 तक लेने की कोशिश करिए सो डैट आपके एग्जाम में सिलेक्शन होने की चांसेस इंक्रीज हो जाए। अब हम इसी मैटर से रिलेवेंट जनरल वर्ड्स का डिक्टेशन लिखने वाले हैं। सो स्टार्ट करते हैं। गेट रेडी, 3, 2, 1 स्टार्ट। टूरिज्म, ट्रैक, टूर, वोएज, रोमिंग, बैकपैक, बीच, बुकिंग, बस, कैमरा, कैंपिंग, कार रेंटल, क्रूज, डेस्टिनेशन, डिस्कवरी, डाइव, एक्सप्लोर, फेरी, फ्लाइट, फॉरेन, जर्नी, लगेज, मैप, ट्रैवलर, पासपोर्ट, रोड ट्रिप, हॉलीडे, वैकेशन, वीज़ा, स्टॉप। सो ये जनरल वर्ड्स का हमने डिक्टेशन लिख लिया है। अब आप इसको ट्रांसक्राइब करिए, मैटर को ट्रांसक्राइब करके उसमें अपनी गलतियों को चेक करिए और उस गलतियों को कमेंट करके बता दीजिए। आज का डिक्टेशन, आज की क्लास यहीं पर एंड होती है। आपको कोई भी क्वेरी हो, कोई भी डाउट हो, उसको कमेंट करके पूछ सकते हो या फिर पर्सनली टेलीग्राम पर भी कांटेक्ट कर सकते हो। तब तक के लिए थैंक यू एवरीवन एंड गुड बाय।